What's up, guys? It's Chaotic Gaming here today, and we are playing Will You Press the Button?
I am Mr. Chaos. Feed me more.
You can join me to any time and place in existence.
But it's only one way to push the button.
Press 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 the button. That was a good one.
Good one.
Will you press the button?
You gain accurate powers of prophecy, but
dreams of your loved one's death every night. Press the button!
yeah!
Yes!
Because you have no loved ones!
Yes.
You get your...
Will you press the button? You get to meet your favorite musician.
You haven't showered in a week and aren't wearing any pants.
I will
not! Push the button!
That was a bad one! Will you press the
I'm
button?
the most popular person in the world, but...
Every night at 2:30 a.m., you turn into a potato until the sunrise. I got the button! I want to be a potato! I want to be a potato! That was a good one! You become Superman, but no one knows it is you. I'm fine with that. Press the button.
I mean, you just be like,
yeah, that means I got it. That means I killed it in
that means
bed.
you become Hancock.
Yeah.
You are born in the imagine of
say
any race, gender, when you are born into a same family as your lifespan is reduced to this. Oh, that means you can choose what you look like.
Hey, I don't mind.
You will become a blue robot.
You will have no memory of your past life.
Yeah!
I don't want to be a robot. Wait, no, I should have been a blue robot, and then my thing would have been blue.
And you would have been able to create potatoes. Potatoes. You have a potato launcher.
Booties!
You have a shiny metal booty.
I have a shiny metal booty.
You will be invited to many games,
Eat my shiny
chat rooms, and Skypes.
Max will always be there watching you. Who is Max? Are you
Mad Max?
Mad Max? Oh my god, Mad Max, why are you watching me in my... Wait. This is another version of Unfriended. No, I will not! I do not need my face.
I do not need my hand in a blender.
You get to cure cancer.
Your body will deteriorate and you will die within 1 year.
Will I be a billionaire for 1 year?
No, you just get a medal and...
I will not. I'm
Dude,
sorry.
everyone's gonna kick your butt now! There's
I
gonna
don't
be
care.
a bunch of people with breast cancer running at you.
Wait,
and
press the button.
magically become a genius. But...
You can never eat chocolate again.
No!
Press the button!
No!
Press the button!
No!
I hate chocolate!
I like M&M's.
My name is Chaotic, and I don't like chocolate.
And my name is Mr. Chaos, and I love M&M's.
Okay, you will rule the world.
But
You have to kill your whole family,
including
pets.
No!
Yes, I will kill you. You rule the world.
I will cut your guts out and then eat them and then take your skull and put it on my wall and then take your skin and wear it as my own and then take your hair and throw it in the incinerator and then let the dogs hump your corpse and then take a shit
I
out of
will
my mouth.
make you watch while I cut your balls off, stick them in your mouth, and make you become a nutcracker.
Think you're cool? I will make you listen to Infinite Justin Bieber.
I don't mind that.
The first one.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
You go ahead and win. You go ahead and win that one. I don't like the baby face one.
You become Sherlock Holmes, but
Press the button!
That one just didn't make sense.
Yeah, no. You get every game and console made by a company of your choice. Yes.
They immediately go out of business. That's good!
No, that I would not.
Because then you'll never be able to play it anymore?
Yes. And everybody will never be able to like.
You are
I hate
reborn
these.
into a world and you can decide new appearances and gender and social status and retain your memories, but you must do it every time you turn 16.
You must do it again every time you turn 16.
So you have to basically create your life, and then you have to do it again when you're... Actually, that's not that bad.
It's really
You'll
not.
be forever young.
That was kind of good. I like that.
Everybody
Forever
in the
young, that
world
means I
speaks
have
one
every girl in the
language.
world.
But you have no voice.
Everybody in the world speak one language, but you have no voice.
But what language would it be?
What language? What language? What language? Oh my god, what language would it be?
It would be Japanese!
Japanese? Not Japanese, I would not.
Kushima! No hi!
You can see through stuff, X-ray vision in the daytime.
At night, you are completely blind.
I don't care, I can see.
there.
Why? He's seen the booty. Look at the guy.
He's seen the
the booty. He's seen the booty. Look at him. He's seen the booty.
He found the booty.
Hey, make your dream become the next big YouTube star. I'd rather not, because I'd rather make it my own.
You will own all games on Steam.
Oh, yes.
But you will exchange bodies with Gaben. Only get your own back if you make his look great.
No, don't even laugh at
I
that.
don't even know who that is.
Just shut up. Just.
Cody wants to
No.
be Gaben.
No, I will not. Hurry up and press the will not button.
I don't know who that is.
I don't know, but if I had to make him look good, I'd rather not make another man look
It was
good.
one of the creators, and the other creator just threw that in as a joke.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
Another
it's
one.
Asian.
It's Asian again. It's Asian again.
Japanese language.
Oh, it's back.
It's because
Yay.
they like us.
Yes, they like us because we made them come back.
And I made them. I said some words in Japanese saying, "Please don't kick us out." And I'm just gonna say Merry Christmas on opposite day.
I didn't even know it.
Cause chaos. Chaos.
I am chaotic, and I will rape you.
And I'm Mr. Chaos.
And
I will do the same.
he will look at you.
I will stare at you through your window while you sleep.
Why I'm raping him.
The man woman of your dreams will fall in love with you, but you both have uncontrollable. No! You want the man to fall in love with you?
Oh my god, I just pressed the button. I turned it everywhere. That was bad. That was real bad.
You will be
I
able
will
to
not.
incredibly, but you'll platform your music, film, YouTube videos. Oh, that means you will have great YouTube videos, but you universally will be disliked, and your fans will think you're horrible and annoying. Hey,
They already do. They already do. That's what's up. Oh my gosh. Don't do that.
I'm 10 years younger, but who's 5 IQ points? If I was 10 years younger, I'd be 64 years old.
I'll be 32.
I'll be 21.
I'll be 92.
I'll be 6,024.
I'll be 2. I like
I'll
the
be
word
2.
too.
You get to
eat people, but you don't get to eat pizza.
No!
I want to eat people.
You want to eat the D?
No, that was bad. No. Well, this is our last one. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll come at you with another video later.
No.
Oh, you messing up my
No.
outro. You messing up my outro.
I'm going to make the dogs eat you, Mom.